Hi everyone, welcome to my brand new channel, Finance with Mary. This is my very first video and I'm so glad you're here. If you've ever felt like money is confusing or overwhelming, don't worry, you are in the right place and my mission is simple: to make finance easy, practical, and relatable for everyday life. Why I started this channel? You see, I know what it feels like to have questions about money. I've been there myself, wondering why money comes and goes so quickly, or how some people seem to always have enough while others are struggling. I realized that finance is not just for bankers or accountants or even for business people. It's for everyone, whether you're a student, worker, business owner, or stay-at-home parent. Money affects your everyday life, but most times nobody explains it in a simple way. That's why I started Finance with Mary, to break down money and finance in plain language so everyone can understand it and apply it. Now, the big question is, what is money? Let's start with something basic but powerful. In simple terms, money is anything people agree to use for buying and selling. But this was operational in the olden days and it was very, very stressful. So, money was created as a universal middleman to make trade easier. And money has changed over time. People once used cowries, shells, and even salt as money. Today, we have notes and even digital money, transfers, mobile money, and online payments. So, money is not just paper in your pocket. It's a tool. And how you use the tool determines your financial future. What is finance? Here we go. Now, let's talk about finance. Finance simply means the management of money. How you earn it, spend it, save it, invest it, or even borrow it. Finance is universal and covers three big areas. Number one, personal finance. How you manage your own money. That is budgeting, saving, investing. Number two, corporate finance. How businesses raise and use money to grow. Number three, public finance. How governments raise money through taxes and spend it on things like roads, schools, and salaries. So basically, finance explains money flows from your pockets to businesses to governments and back again. Let's talk about common mistakes people make. Now, here's the thing. Many people struggle financially not because they don't make money, but because they don't manage it well. Some common mistakes include spending more than you earn, not saving at all, relying on one source of income, and even spending before thinking of saving. On this channel, I'll show you how to avoid these traps and build a better relationship with your money. Now, this is my story and connection with money. Personally, I've had my own journey with money and I've made mistakes and I've learned hard lessons and I've also discovered simple strategies that work. For example, one of my biggest turning points was when I realized that making money is not the same as keeping it. That was when I started budgeting and planning. And honestly, it's changed everything for me. And that's what I want to share with you. And not just theories, but real practical tips that anyone can use. These are what you will learn from my channel. Number one, simple budgeting tips. Number two, how to save and invest wisely. Number three, how to avoid money mistakes. And number four, basic business and investment ideas, and many more. Every week, I'll be posting videos that make money and finance less scary and more practical and very exciting. Before I go, I would love to hear from you. What's the biggest money challenge you face right now? Share it in the comment section. I'll be reading and responding. Remember this: financial freedom starts with knowledge. If you can understand money, you can control it instead of money controlling you. So, hit that subscribe button, like this video, share it with someone who wants to grow financially. Thank you for watching my very first video. I'm Mary, and this is just the beginning of our journey together on Finance with Mary. See you in the next one. Bye.